It's erupting. I don't think, like, is it? Ah! Alright, so apparently Gorilla Tag just got a new update. So let's go check it out. Oh my gosh. What is this? There's actually just like lava everywhere.
There might be a monster in my bed, in the shadow.
Wow, that was some great singing. Alright. What is this? This is so cool. Can I make it to there? I don't know what happens when you fall in the lava, but I'm gonna go find out.
Dude.
You better stop!
Oh, you get tagged. Oh, okay. Of course I lost connection. Well, I guess we're in a private lobby now. So what is this? Oh, they added rocks too. You know what? I feel like this is just not good if I'm in a private lobby because I'm the only person talking. So I'm gonna go back up and get into a new game.
Where's the last guy at?
This is actually so cool.
L-I-L.
He's on the tree.
Wait, Adam won.
The graphics, I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like the graphics like look actually a lot better. Where was that volcano that I saw when I got disconnected? It's like it was somewhere over here, I think. I don't think I can see it. But this is really cool. This is an awesome update. Yeah, the graphics definitely look better. So, what are you saying?
Wait, what's that noise?
Oh, I didn't even realize he was there. Oh, okay, so when it beeps, it goes away.
The lava's going down.
The volcano!
I'm gonna make it re-rise.
Refill it. Yeah, we gotta refill it.
Wait, but guys, if we refill it, we only have a few seconds to run.
I'm gonna refill it.
Don't tag anyone.
Wait, so, oh, we actually refill it. That's so cool. We actually refill it by putting rocks in it.
Shut up with the lava! Don't tag me!
Are you gonna eat those frogs?
Oh.
Trick shot! Please, just let me live!
Hold on.
I'm so
What's this?
close.
Oh,
Why didn't you let me live?
I didn't even get it in.
We lie.
Oh, I just heard the buzzing.
Go!
It's erupting. I don't think, like, is it? Oh! Oh, no!
It instantly kills you too.
Go! Wait, I'm tagged. I don't know where I'm running.
And we started to shoot.
If I'm tagged, I don't think... Yeah, I'm just, like, good in here.
Oh, my thing is burning.
Oh, wow, look at that. This is so cool.
Yo, they should add if you had a marshmallow and put it in the lava.
It's just, like, so much brighter. Okay, what I'm actually gonna do is go check out the item shop. So, yeah. Okay, we're on our way to the item shop to see what added. Alright. Forest lava.
Come here, red. Turn around.
What?
Top hat. What do you rate Gorilla Tag out of 10?
8 because of the toxicity.
Just go somewhere else. High five, that's fair. Make us bump. Freaking high five. I'm stupid.
Alright. Okay. Alright, let's actually check out some of these. We have whatever that is. Shirt with a burn. And gloves. Whoa!
I'm gonna start working on it.
It's an umbrella with it, but it's like moving. That's super cool. Ring. Whatever this is. That I'm getting all of these. A parrot.
What do you rate Gorilla Tag out of 10? One beat you wish it was never even created. 100.
Oh wait, what is this? It like has its own thing.
Wait, I love you.
A lava slingshot. Okay,
I love your username.
let's go over to the mirror to try all these out. I did just mute everyone, so you can hear their voices. First, oh my gosh. First, I'm gonna try this. Whoa. That is so bad. That is the worst cosmetic I've ever seen. Next, I'm gonna see the hammer. Oh, this is cool. Can I like? Wait, does it do anything? I don't. Whoa, what is this? Oh, I accidentally equipped that. Okay, I'm gonna try the bird. I don't think the hammer does anything. Yeah. Okay, the bird. He breathes fire. Best bird. All right, now for the pepper. Oh! I think that pepper's a little too spicy. Okay, next, is this a mug?
Can someone tell me how much my
Oh,
outfit
this is
worth?
so cool.
I don't know how much my outfit is worth.
Okay, now onto this. This is also cool. I'm just gonna go ahead. Oh, I might have to buy this.
Actually, I know how much it is. It's over 16,000.
I do want to look at the umbrella.
Why
This
are you
is
saying it's $1?
super cool. I might have to buy this. What about the umbrella? I might have to buy this too. Okay, well, I need to see how much these are.
1,000.
They're about to disappear.
My umbrella was worth was 5,000.
Okay.
5,000. 5,000.
I have
And then
basically 3,000 right now.
What is this?
So I need
No,
to.
it wasn't. See,
Oh yeah, of course I can hear everyone now.
It was 5,000 when I bought it.
How much does this cost?
Who wants a fresh
4,500.
fire?
5,000. Okay. Which one do you guys think I should get? Should I get this one or the umbrella? I'm gonna let you guys decide that. Not like anyone's gonna comment, but